to add money to PayPal with Cashapp. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add money to your PayPal account with your Cashapp account. So first of all you have to do is just open your Cashapp account, and after that on the bottom side of the menu you will be able to see the option called cards. Just simply tap on it, and from here just get your Cashapp cash card handy with you in order to add the money into your PayPal account. If you don't have the Cashapp cash card with you, just simply click on get your free card, and after that just select the card of your choice that you want to buy from the Cashapp account, and after that just add some cash into your cash card using your Cashapp account. And once you have done added the amount into your Cashapp cash card, just copy the Cashapp cash card number, CVC code and other details of your Cashapp cash card. And once you are done copying all these credentials, just simply come back to your PayPal account, and after that just simply log into your PayPal account using your email address and your password. And after that just simply click on my PayPal from the top right corner of the mobile screen, and over here just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the top right hand side of the mobile screen again. And after that you will be able to see a bunch of options. Just simply click on pay and get paid from there, and after that just simply click on bank and cards. And after that just simply scroll down, and over here you will be able to see two options like your bank account and credit or debit card. Since you want to add the money from your Cashapp account to your PayPal account, you need to click on the credit and debit card option, and over here just simply add your Cashapp cash card number that you have just copied from your Cashapp account. Just simply enter your Cashapp cash card number over here, and after that just choose the type of card that you are using, expiration date and along with the security code as well, and enter your billing address for the Cashapp card that you are using. Just mention the same address right here, and after that just simply click on link card. And once your Cashapp cash card has been linked with your PayPal account, then you will be able to add the money into your PayPal account quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to add money to your PayPal account with your Cashapp account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.